Who wants to get drunk? My meatballs do. Cheerio. Done. Hello everybody. Today I'm making Mytilenean meatballs. Let's go. Here's the mince. Beef mince. I always use beef mince. This is white bread. 200, say, not even, because it's very light. And 400 mince. Okay? Going to put the tomato. 1 large tomato, fresh tomato. It was a beautiful tomato. Look how red it was. Oregano. 1 tablespoon oregano. It's a must. I'm going to put the onion now, like that, in the multi. So I put 3 large onions. Here, you see I left some. The garlic is about 6 cloves. Hey, 2 eggs. Cumin, 1 very little teaspoon, 1 paprika, and a bit. This little spoon, okay? I better put mint, fresh mint. The salt, and okay, 2. Now I better make some pepper. Oh, beautiful, look how nice and fine. Oil. I put oil just because of the bread. Gloves on, wash them. Now, I dip in. Now, έλα Χριστός και Παναγιά. Χριστούλη μου και Παναγίτσα μου. They're gonna be very fluffy, you know. Not too much. That'll do. It gives the taste that is unbelievable with ouzo. And when you cook, everybody's coming outside from your door, right? It's an unbelievable thing, the ouzo. It's the taste that give, and all these ingredients. Here, I've got vegetable oil, olive oil too. Just olive oil gives beautiful flavor, okay? Instead of plain flour, I'm putting gluten-free flour. So people with the allergy, they can have keftethes, provided they put gluten-free bread in, of course. Έλα Χριστέ και Παναγιά, να βγάλουμε καλά κεφτεδάκια. And I'm gonna make them a little bit bigger. Okay? Yeah, 1. You can make them long, you can make them, you know. Σε ένα ταξίδι μου, μονότονο σε γνώρισα. Στη ξενιτεία, μόναχο για παρηγοριά. Μα το καράβι που σε πήρε και χωρίσαμε, όλα ξανά γίναν για μένα πια νεκρά. Να ξανάρθεις, με λαχτάρα περιμένω να ξανάρθεις. Πότε θα έρθεις για να πάψει της καρδιάς μου η αγωνία. Περιμένω να ξανάρθεις, να μου δώσεις 2 φιλιά κι από εκεί ας ξεψυχήσω στη δική σου αγκαλιά. Να ξανάρθεις, με λαχτάρα περιμένω να ξανάρθεις. Πότε θα έρθεις, πότε θα έρθεις. Back to the κεφτεδάκια. You know, I have to see how many I'm going to fit in there. I think you can fit it 25. It doesn't burn like the flour, the plain flour. You see, sometimes you see all the black stuff down there. Oops, I better make it a little bit. Look at this now. It's ready to go. See? That's why. There's so many dishes that I can make when, you know, with all this. You have to see, it's not when they're ready, all right? When they're ready means they have to be from both sides well cooked, like well done. They're gonna be crispy outside and soft inside. That's the keftet with the ouzo. Okay, here we go. I only turn them twice, okay? I mean one and another one. We don't go flip all the time, flip over. Don't flip them over. I've got long time to have a glass of ouzo. 5 minutes, that's it, it's done. Aha, ready. Have a look at that. I have to cut one. I know I'm gonna burn myself. Okay, let's try. Aha. Here. Have a look now. Have a look at the inside. Yeah, look how nice it's so. Love them. Now, I need a glass of ouzo. Bye.